As many theme parks such as Shanghai Disney and tourist attractions like Disney Springs prepare for phased openings this week, many Horror Nights fans are still waiting tooth and nail for any bit of information that will give us hope HHN is still continuing as planned. Well, great news. It's confirmed that construction has begun on both coasts, giving us even more hope that the haunt season will be salvaged and we can enjoy another season of screams. An official statement from Universal Hollywood has been posted on their website stating the following: "Prepare for the scariest, most intense Halloween event in Southern California, created by the sickest and most twisted minds in horror and the movie studio that invented the horror film genre. The event features terrifying mazes that bring to life the most frightening films and television shows ever. The thrills continue with our high-energy live entertainment and terrifying scare zones awaiting you around every dark corner." A YouTube channel called Santa Clarita Drone gives us an inside look at the temporarily closed Universal Park in Hollywood. As the montage footage of the flying drone passes over the park, we notice HHN construction is underway in the Waterworld queue. By the looks of the construction, it's pretty far along, which can only lead to speculation starting as well. This specific location is best known to house intellectual properties such as House of a Thousand Corpses and the Halloween franchise. Based on the speculation map provided by HN Nightmares, it is proposed to be a secret IP that fans have provided their own insight on. Theme park and travel channel SoCal Exploring speculates this may have the potential to be the rumored Candyman maze, and even shows the possibility of the facade being a large open mouth featured in the films. Orlando also shows sign of constructions in their two sprung tents, giving us hope that the event may still take place on both coasts. These two locations are proposed to be the secret IP as well as the rumored Pumpkin Original, which we've speculated as being a house dedicated to the forgotten Nathaniel Crow. We highly recommend you check out that video in the link below. What are your thoughts on the new construction discoveries, and do you think it's a good sign the event plans to continue amidst the current pandemic? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified when we upload a new video.